Hello, this is Kelly Beltman with the service department. We're going to go over some frequently asked questions. Linking a Magnetek remote to the receiver if a replacement is needed. RX AC number you're going to need and the channel number you're going to need. So start by pushing the two outside buttons, push and hold. Release buttons, enter password. Each day the passcode is a different number. Today's passcode is 4249. Try not to go past 0 as you're putting in any numbers because it does strange things. So device config, hit select, RF channel, select. The arrow, if you notice, goes below the 1, so we're going to change it to a 2. Hit select. Now we're going to change the second digit to 1 by going down to 1. Select. Now we're channel match. Hit the down arrow one time. Brings us to access code. Select. The leading ones will be zeros, so we're looking to change it to 8370. So select 8, 3, 7, 0. Select, so now our numbers match. Hit back a few times, up 2 times, save and exit, select. Now your receiver and remote match and you need to do a power cycle for them to work.